Tell you what, Cool Cat Connor, since you want to see my beautiful face so bad, like you're gay or something, here it is for you, brother. You like what you see, don't you? And let's talk about what your fan base attracts. Alright? It attracts one who left your fan base because your team sucks and went to Seattle. So that's a bandwagon. What else? All of Giants Mafia. Oh, excuse me. You're not a Giants fan. Attract you. Seems kind of a little slow. Mentally in the head. Can only keep repeating himself in different ways in his videos to make it longer because he can't come up with his own shit. Let's see, who else could we? I brought up one guy, which I give him great heart for doing it. It was brave for him to come out and not defeat being gay. Let's see, what else? Brought up Brunson. We can't stop talking about the Cowboys like you. So it's kind of like you're marrying Brunson. Right? Brunson claims you don't look at ESPN or NFL Network or none of that shit, which I just proved that he does. What else? Who else? I know I'm missing. Oh, and you got Champ Birds during that makes 3 videos during the game talking mad shit about your team, your QB, everybody, and then out there when they win, he's all up on their shit. Suck us some dick. So that's a Fairweather fan. So you better come correct when you're questioning the people Boys for Life comes out, supposedly brings out, which I made the video regarding Hate Week with you first, so whatever. I guess that's it for now. I'm sitting at Disney chilling, having some fun with the old lady. So I hope you enjoy this face right here, bud. It might be the last time you see it. Anyway, I'm done with you. Probably my last video about you. Shout out to CNS, Boys for Life, Cowboys Face, Mosh, and the rest of the CNS brothers. Later. Just make sure you got my crow ready when you lose. I want you giving me my crow as you're walking out of that shit bowl of the stadium you call the Link. I think you're forgetting that we play you pretty good there at the Link. We have more wins there than you do against each other. You forgetting that? Like I said, I want my crow as you're exiting that shit bowl. Later.